My name is Noel Sim and I'm from St. Patrick's School. I got to know Ace Your POA through Google because I was searching for a POA tuition to assist me in my academics, and I happened to bump into Ace Your POA online. After joining Ace Your POA, I jumped from a basic C5 to an A1, which I think was a drastic jump. I found the lesson very effective compared to my school lessons, as Mr. Quack teaches the lesson with the heart and he explains in detail almost every single part that I do not understand. I think the materials that Mr. Quack has given me, as well as the class, I think they are very effective as I can read through them anytime I want, and the revision for all these question types are very easy for me. So during my prelim period, when I was revising for my POA examinations, the only notes that I took out were his notes and not my school notes, because I found that his notes were much more compiled and easier to flip through to revise. One thing that will be different from Ace Your POA and different tuition centers would be during the circuit breaker period, when Singapore went into lockdown mode, Mr. Quack actually himself prepared all the worksheets, and all these worksheets are meant to aid us in preparation for our end of year exams, prelim exams or mid-year exams. And the best part was that our online virtual classes were very effective and it made us feel like we were still in the classroom learning effectively. So I think another thing about Ace Your POA is that compared to other tutors, he puts in a lot of effort into the notes, because in our new current syllabus, there happens to be new terms that were removed ever since the old syllabus ended. And I think that Ace Your POA has been keeping track with the updates, which I think is good. I would definitely recommend Ace Your POA to my juniors or like any relatives which I have, because I personally feel that with Mr. Quack as their teacher, I am confident that they will do well in their POA examinations. I just wanted to say thank you to Mr. Quack for teaching me as well as the class for the past 2 years, because I know that 2020 as well as 2021 has been quite a struggle, especially with the pandemic around, and I want to take this opportunity to thank him because he's been teaching the class with the heart and the patience, and I think that with his guidance I was able to have a consistent grade in my POA examination. Thank you Mr. Quack, and thank you Ace Your POA.